Okay, I'm going to try and make a noise faster than NMM can say his Rap God song. Now, this is not me singing Rap God, it is me trying to make a noise and him doing his song Rap God, which I will not have the music on, but y'all can send me a message saying if I'm faster or if I'm not. That is a vote on y'all. So the next video will be up to y'all, but I am not sure. Okay, I will try. I bit my tongue.